Most people try to fix brain fog after it shows up. They reach for another coffee, another energy drink, another productivity hack, but by that point, they're already playing defense. The real question isn't, how do I get rid of brain fog? It's, why did it show up in the first place? Because brain fog rarely appears out of nowhere. In many cases, it's the result of decisions made hours earlier. What you ate for breakfast, whether your blood sugar is crashing, whether your brain is getting the nutrients it needs to perform. The surprising truth is that the best diet for focus isn't about eating special superfoods. It's about preventing the conditions that create brain fog in the first place. In this video, we'll break down the foods, meal patterns, and nutrition habits that help keep your brain clear, focused, and energized throughout the day. Let's get into it. What is brain fog? Brain fog isn't a medical diagnosis. It's a collection of symptoms. Difficulty concentrating, mental fatigue, slow thinking, poor memory, low motivation. You sit down to work, but your brain feels like it's running through mud. Many people assume this is a motivation problem. Often, it's an energy management problem. Your brain uses roughly 20% of your body's energy, despite making up only a small percentage of your body weight. That means your brain is extremely sensitive to what you feed it, and unfortunately, many modern eating habits work against it. The biggest cause of brain fog. Most people miss the biggest culprit, blood sugar instability. Here's what happens. You eat a breakfast loaded with sugar and refined carbohydrates, sugary cereal, pastries, sweet coffee drinks, white bread. Your blood sugar rises quickly. Your body releases insulin, then your blood sugar drops, and suddenly you feel tired, distracted, hungry again. This cycle can repeat multiple times throughout the day. Many people blame themselves for lacking focus, but the problem started on their breakfast plate, the brain fog breakfast. Let's talk about the breakfast that creates the most problems. A typical example, a large muffin, sweet coffee, fruit juice, very little protein, very little fiber, very little healthy fat. This combination digests quickly, it provides fast energy, but not lasting energy. By mid-morning, many people are reaching for caffeine simply to recover from the crash caused by breakfast. The solution isn't eating less, it's eating smarter. The brain-friendly breakfast formula. Instead of focusing on individual foods, think in categories. A brain-friendly meal usually includes protein, fiber, healthy fats, and minimally processed carbohydrates. For example, eggs and whole grain toast, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, oatmeal with walnuts and fruit, a smoothie containing protein, fruit, and healthy fats. These meals digest more slowly, energy stays more stable, and your brain receives a steadier supply of fuel. The foods most associated with better focus. Let's look at specific foods. Eggs contain protein and important nutrients that support normal brain function. They're filling, affordable, and easy to prepare. Oats provide slow digesting carbohydrates. Unlike sugary breakfasts, they help provide a more gradual release of energy. Fatty fish such as salmon contain omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are important components of brain cells and have been widely studied for their role in brain health. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and similar fruits contain compounds linked to healthy brain function. Plus, they satisfy a sweet craving without causing the same blood sugar spike as candy. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, and other nuts provide healthy fats, minerals, and protein. They're also one of the easiest brain-friendly snacks available. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and similar vegetables contain nutrients that support overall health, including brain health. Not exciting, but effective. The meal pattern. Most people ignore. Here's something rarely discussed. The problem isn't always what you eat, it's when you eat. Many people skip breakfast, work for hours, then eat a massive lunch. Afterward, they feel exhausted, heavy, and mentally sluggish. Large meals require energy to digest. That can contribute to the afternoon crash many people experience. Instead, many people benefit from balanced meals, reasonable portions, and consistent eating patterns. The goal is stable energy, not energy spikes. The foods most likely to trigger brain fog. Not everyone responds the same way to food, but certain foods commonly create problems. Highly processed snacks, sugary drinks, candy, large amounts of refined carbohydrates, heavy fast food meals. These foods often create the same cycle: quick energy, short-term satisfaction, energy crash, reduced focus, repeat.